Welcome back to Museful. Today we will be unboxing some of my favorite finds from Anker. So what we have is a power brick, 100 watt power brick. What's special about this is you'll be able to plug in 3 different devices, 2 USB-C and 1 USB-A. Why is that important? Well, when you're traveling, you have multiple devices and you don't want to carry multiple chargers. This is a great asset to have. It also allows you to power at 100 watts, which means it can power up to a MacBook Pro and other high-end laptops. But to make them work fast, and the fast chargers you see on your phones, you need to install or buy a power cable that can support fast charging. As you can see in the top right-hand corner right here, this cable powers up to 240 watts. So that allows this charger to charge at full capacity. Chargers do make a difference when you're trying to charge the device, so make sure you invest in a good brand and good quality when you are buying your devices or cables. This is another cable as well from Anker. It's one of their lower series. This is series 5. It does still power at 240 watts as you can see, but it is bio. I buy these USB-C cables from Anker because I know their quality, I know they last, and they do what I need them to do. So let's get ready for the unboxing. You can see how small, how compact this is, and how lightweight it is. It is very light, it is very sturdy, but it is small. Comparing this to a traditional brick from Apple for your laptops, you can see the difference. Comparing the difference in hand, you can see this only has 1 port and this has 3. So that is a benefit of buying a charger that allows you to power multiple things at one time. And that is why I like the Anker charger. So let's unbox the cable. You can see the cable is very sturdy. It is built very well. It is braided, USB-C as well. And it is my power 240 watt cable that I will be using to power into my laptop. And that is why I bought this cable, like I told you a minute ago. And the last cable we will be unboxing. Same thickness, same sturdiness, but it is a bio braided cable. So if you're a fan of protecting the environment, Anker does sell products as well. And as you can see, it says bio-based, so it does have those capabilities to protect the environment. Thank you for watching. Please like, follow, and share. Go ahead, say like, follow, and share.
Share.
Good job, kids.